Hello everyone. This sales and inventory control software is completely free, and it's in its full version with no restrictions. It's a fast and simple system. The number of products that can be entered is unlimited. The system is self-administered, meaning you can create, modify, or delete products at any time. Additionally, it is compatible with any barcode reader and ticket printer. The software can be installed on any computer or laptop running Windows. After entering the list of products, sales can be made through the code of each product or its description. Therefore, it is not strictly necessary to have a barcode reader to use it. The list of products to be sold includes the detail and a total to be paid by the customer. When confirming the sale, the system displays two payment options, cash or card. Once the sale is confirmed, the software automatically deducts those products from the inventory and adds a total paid to the day's collection. The system displays the detail of the sales made during the day by date and time. The available stock can also be checked at any time. The daily collection also shows the total money received and the type of payment according to the sales. The sales history can be consulted by day or by month. The history shows in detail all the products sold and also the profit obtained by that date. In addition to being free, this system comes with support and assistance in case of any doubts or issues. The download link will be in the video description. There will also be a link to the video tutorial explaining in detail each function of this software, suitable for all types of businesses.